Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung dryer HC or HE errors in 2026. So before hopping on to the solutions, we need to first of all understand why this error actually appears. So the HC or HE errors appears when the dryer temperature goes higher than the normal limits. So this is usually happens due to blocked airflow, restricted ventilations, or sometimes temperature sensor issues. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply remove the lint filter and then simply clean it thoroughly. Even a thin layer of lint reduces the airflow and traps the heat inside. So this is one of the most common causes of overheating. After doing so, you need to also inspect the vent hose behind the dryer. Just make sure that it is not crushed and it is free from the lint buildup. After doing so, simply go outside and check the air outlet vent as well. So remove the lint and the blockages from here as well. Now overloading traps heat and moisture. So you can run smaller load and then test it again. This allows better airflow inside the drum. Now make sure that the dryer has proper ventilation space around it. If it is placed in a tight or closed area, the heat cannot dissipate properly. So if airflow is clear but the error continues even after doing all of these steps, the thermostat or the temperature sensors may be faulty. So in that case, they may need replacement. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.